Hi Capricorns, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for June 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle cards that I have here. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Final days of May, stepping into June 2022, we have the Page of Cups. Perhaps Capricorn, at this time you wanted to be all by yourself, even though you were sought after. Perhaps you were finding yourself getting embroiled in unnecessary arguments. Maybe you believe that your family members or your friends and acquaintances were being unfair towards you. It's also very likely that Capricorns at this time, on the work front, you were dealing with a very whimsical person. That is why your plans were being altered. Maybe you also had to counter jealousy or threats at work. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that many of you were also the caregiver at this time. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that June is going to present for you is the Eight of Pentacles. You see this lady, she is busy with work. Likewise, I think you need to devote yourself to some creative aspect. Some of you also want to join an educational course or you want to work on your skill set. I think the key for Capricorns in June will be collaboration. You need to cooperate with others if you want to get ahead. Maybe you're also planning to declutter your living space this month. Influences for June, we have the King of Cups here. This is a person who is going to be a counselor in your life. Perhaps you're seeking advice from an elder, maybe a legal eagle or even a medical professional. Or maybe others are going to seek your words of wisdom this month. In essence, Capricorns, this month you have to find alternatives to the problems that are there. Sometimes we think plan A will work, but then plan B is the way forward for us. Sometimes, you could also be fretful, you could curse fate for the way your life has turned out to be. But then I think you should count your blessing. Maybe you believe that family members or your loved ones don't take kindly to your idea. You may feel as though outsiders are supportive, while family members never stand up for you. Nevertheless, I think this month you're going to move from one task to another. I think technically you could be a bit challenged, so you should find a way out. Maybe somebody whom you're working with could also try to take advantage of you, so you should put that person in his place. The first 10 days of June, we have the Ace of Cups here. Cups seem to dominate your reading this month, so you're going to be a bit emotional. Maybe emotions could get the better of you time and again, so you need to guard against ego coming in the way. Sometimes, we could say something which is unpalatable for the other person or which could even turn out to be harmful for our own interests. So you should be careful. A slip of the tongue can turn out to be very costly for us. I think you need to hold your cards close to your chest. You shouldn't divulge too much. In these first 10 days, I'm also picking up that your schedule could be altered. So you have to adjust and accommodate. Maybe there's also going to be cancellation of planned work. So this means that work is piling up, and this could also mean that you're a bit distracted. So there are going to be errors. Perhaps Capricorns, you should start early or you should work late into the night rather than crib about the excess workload. Maybe you could also have heated exchange with your co-worker. Perhaps she wants the schedule to be altered. She wants the work done the way she desires. Eventually, she will toe the line, but then these are things which could affect you this month. Financial transactions, money dealings could also keep you busy. Maybe many of you are also arranging documents in these first 10 days. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th June, we have the Lovers card here. Choices are definitely going to be there, whether in your personal life, in your personal relationships, or even in the professional sphere. Communication is also going to increase, and communication is going to bring in gains for you. Capricorns, I also believe that You're going to be very creative at this time, and this is going to be appreciated. Even your dress sense, your personality is going to be talked about. However, Capricorns, there could also be second thoughts about the choices that you make at this time. The final days of the month, we have the Judgment card. We did clarify the Judgment, and we do have the Six of Cups. Another Cups. So you see, Capricorns, this is the month which is going to be dominated by your emotions, your feelings, and also with your creative skills. In these final days, you should also network a bit. Maybe you're also going to be concerned about an estranged person who is trying to renew contact at this time. Or perhaps you're also going to be gripped by nostalgia. You're going to look back into how your life has panned out. Or you will be thinking about a particular relationship. In all likelihood, you will also benefit on account of your connections, so you should tap into your contacts, whether it's your friends and acquaintances. I think unscheduled work is also going to keep you busy. Besides, you also have to complete the pending tasks. There could also be those delays, but then you should take heart from the fact that you have done the work or that you have completed what you set out to do. Sometimes because of the excess work or the excess scrutiny at work, you may also feel as though you need to quit. With respect to your love life, Capricorns, I have this card, clueless, confused and perplexed. Perhaps we have the Lover's card, that is why you have a choice here. Or maybe because of the King of Cups, somebody is making an offer to you, but then you may be undecided. You may be wondering whether you should go ahead or whether you should close the door to this relationship. I think you could also have conversation with someone in your field. You could discuss your past life. Maybe this person isn't very open or receptive towards your feelings, or perhaps this person is hiding his feelings behind a mask. That is why you are confused about the status of this relationship. This person is looking into the distant waters, so you are wondering whether this person is guarded or whether the person in question you have in mind is being guarded about his feelings towards you. Romancing, Capricorns, I think you need to deal with some negative energy which is affecting your relationship. Nevertheless, I think your person is someone who is going to go gaga over your looks. At times, you could even ignore each other's phone calls. Maybe you're going to resort to tit for tat, or there are going to be those lovers stiff this month. On the other hand, married Capricorns, I think your partner could be very temperamental this month. Maybe there are going to be those disagreements over his personal choices. Ideally, I think you should maintain your cool. Those of you who are in a third party situation could be a bit perplexed because you want commitment from your person, but he is talking in circles or he is talking in riddles. Maybe he is very vague about the status of this relationship. In case yours is an unhappy connection, then I think infidelity or suspicion could also rock your relationship. So be mindful of that, Capricorns. Archangel Raphael is also telling you that laughter is the best medicine. Certainly, in case there are so situations when you are gripped by nostalgia, when you don't know how to wriggle yourself out of certain situations on account of your loose tongue, I think you should melt the ice by cracking jokes, or you should loosen up instead of stressing over situations you find yourself in, as laughter can definitely raise your vibration and lift your spirits and keep you quite healthy this month. The last card in this reading is Visualize Success. Surely, Capricorns, you need to be very positive this month if you want success to touch your feet. You should imagine that everything is going as per plan. Even if there are roadblocks in the path, you need to soldier on. There's always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. I hope, Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.